Hi everyone. Today the topic is ideal gas mixtures. If n moles of an ideal gas mixture occupy a total volume Vt at temperature T, then the pressure is P equal to nRT by Vt. So if Ni moles of species I in this mixture occupy the same total volume at the same temperature, then the pressure is Pi is equal to NiRT by Vt. So dividing the later equation by the former equation, we get the equation as Pi by P is equal to Ni by N, which is equal to Xi. So from this we can write Pi is equal to Xi into P. So here Xi is the mole fraction of species I in the ideal gas mixture. Pi is partial pressure of species I. So here in this ideal gas mixtures we consider Gibbs theorem, which states that a partial molar property other than volume of a constituent species in an ideal gas mixture is equal to the corresponding molar property of the species as a pure ideal gas at the mixture temperature but at a pressure equal to its partial pressure in the mixture. So this Gibbs theorem can be written mathematically as Mi bar Iz at constant temperature pressure is equal to MiIz at constant temperature, Pi. So here the enthalpy of an ideal gas is independent of pressure. That means HIIz at constant temperature, Pi is equal to HIIz at constant temperature and pressure. Hence, Hi bar Iz at constant temperature, P is equal to HIIz at constant temperature, pressure. So simplifying this equation, Hi bar Iz is equal to HIIz. So here HIIz is the pure species value at the mixture temperature and pressure. Now applying the summability relation, Hij is equal to sigma I xi HIIz is equal to 0. Writing the above equation as Hij minus sigma I xi HIIz is equal to 0. So the left hand side is the enthalpy change associated with a process in which appropriate amounts of pure species at temperature and pressure are mixed to form 1 mole of mixture at the same temperature and pressure. So for ideal gases, enthalpy change of mixing is 0. The entropy of an ideal gas depends on pressure. So dSiIz is equal to minus RD ln P. Integrating this equation from Pi to P gives the equation as SiIz at temperature and pressure minus SiIz at constant temperature, Pi, which is equal to minus R ln P by Pi. And again this is equal to minus R ln P by Xi P, which is equal to R ln Xi. SiIz at constant temperature, Pi is equal to SiIz at constant temperature, pressure minus R ln Xi. So now Si bar Iz at constant temperature, pressure is equal to SiIz at constant temperature, pressure minus R ln Xi. So here Si bar Iz is equal to SiIz minus R ln Xi. Here SiIz is the pure species value at the mixture temperature and pressure. By summability relation, this equation can be written as Sig is equal to sigma I xi SiIz minus or sigma I xi ln xi. So this is the equation for entropy of an ideal gas. Rearranging this equation, Sig minus sigma I xi Siiz is equal to R sigma I xi ln xi. So left hand side is the entropy change of mixing for ideal gases. Since 1 by xi is greater than 1, this quantity is positive in agreement with the second law. Now we take Gibbs energy of an ideal gas mixture, which is Gig is equal to Hig minus Tsig. The parallel relation for the partial properties is Gi bar Ig is equal to Hi bar Iz minus Tsi bar Iz. So combining the above two equations, we get Gi bar Ig is equal to Hiz minus Tsiz plus RT ln Xi. So now mu Ig is equivalent to Gi bar Ig, which is equal to Giig plus RT ln Xi. So this is the equation for Gibbs energy of an ideal gas, which is equivalent to chemical potential. So here, in this way, we can write the equations for ideal gases. So this is the today's topic. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please click the bell button for more videos. Please like, share and comment my videos. Thank you very much.